Marlin Yoder from Kannapolis, North Carolina. I've been helping Garage 56. I went to France to be a part of that whole program. I went to all the tests and stuff like that. So the last 6 to 8 months I've been super busy working on that, testing, working on the car during the week, and get it ready to go over there to run for 24 hours. It was pretty fun. I was the primary front end mechanic, working on front suspension, front part of the car. In the race I would pull tear-offs, and then we also had a brake change to where I changed, I took one corner. We had 4 guys on the car. We all split up and we each took a corner, and we changed the rotors, calipers, and pads in a matter of like a minute and a half or something. It was something crazy. I was on the 48 car with Jimmy his last 2 seasons, the 2 years after that, working on the 5 car, and then winning in 21, winning all those races and the championship was pretty special. That was one of the best years of my life for sure. For Track Attack, what I do is build wiring harnesses. Most of it, 50% of it is from scratch. Some of it is outsourced. Like the harness that comes with the engine is already done, but then with our transmission controller and our digital dash, I basically wire all that stuff together so all 3 of those components are all talking to each other and everything knows what's going on in each compartment. Finishing all that and coming to the racetrack and see the car make laps, to see all that come to fruition is really satisfying. On the body side of it, or suspension side of it, brakes, all of that, it's the identical car. Everything is exactly the same. So working on the Track Attack stuff, brings back those memories of working on the Gen 6 car. At the end of the day, part of it is still working under the Hendrick banner. That's what I enjoy. Whether it was doing the Garage 56 program, or working at Track Attack, working under that Hendrick banner. There's pride in that. When you work for Hendrick, that's a pride that I feel like all of us employees take pride in, and we enjoy it.